work to get it past the smog test, but other than that, we haven't done anything. I'm going to take it over, clean the engine bay, clean underneath, get a look, see what we got. We got a lot to do in 2 weeks. But in my hand are the keys to a 1997 Toyota Rav4 with 209,000 miles and a ton of adventure waiting for it. Okay, so we're here to do-it-yourself car wash right off the 60 in Chino. We're going to take a chance and decrease the motor, which could reveal leaks that we haven't seen, or we could get water where it doesn't belong and we're stranded here. I can see a huge difference. This part will need to be detailed because it doesn't just shine on its own, but all the dirt, all the crud that had built up